Okay, when kids say wabbit instead of rabbit, it's adorable. This process of substituting easier sounds like W's and Y's for things like L and R, this is called the phonological process of gliding. This is Neurodiversipedia, and we're going to talk about it. Gliding is a very common thing in young kids. Especially if they're under 5, it's not something to be worried about. So if your kid is saying grapes instead of grapes or play instead of play, it's okay. But if they are older than 5, it might indicate a speech impediment. That's when you would want to go talk to a speech-language pathologist. So why do kids do this other than just to make it easier? Well, it could be because they actually hear the words wrong. There could be an auditory process disorder. Or it could be that they're just learning how to move their mouth and learning how motor planning works to be able to speak. Sometimes it's a problem, sometimes it's just part of language learning. So what can you do at home or even at the speech therapy office to help kids work through this? Well, you can listen really carefully to see what exactly are the words they're struggling with, make a list, and then you can use auditory cues or visual aids to help kids understand exactly what the word is supposed to sound like versus what it is sounding like. There's a lot of different strategies and word and language learning apps that can help kids hear the word correctly and practice it in the correct way.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.